Hello everyone, good evening. This is Anubhav from Drive to Learn, and today we are going to discuss Age of Johnson Part 2, in which I would discuss with you the novelists, historians, prose, and drama of the Age of Transition. So let's begin. The famous novelists of the Age of Transition are Samuel Richardson and Henry Fielding. Here on your screens are Samuel Richardson and Henry Fielding. Samuel Richardson's most famous work is Pamela, or Virtue Rewarded, written in 1740, which is an epistolary novel. Richardson's next novel was Clarissa Harlowe, famous for its characterization. His third and last novel also was in letter form, named Sir Charles Grandison. Fielding is also known as the father of English novel. His famous novels are Joseph Andrews, Jonathan Wild the Great, A Journey from This World to the Next, his masterpiece Tom Jones, and his last novel Amelia, said to be based on his first wife. The other novelists of the Age of Johnson are Tobias Smollett, Lawrence Sterne, Horace Walpole, William Beckford, Mrs. Anne Radcliffe, Matthew Gregory Lewis, Henry Mackenzie, and Francis Burney. Smollett's first novel was The Adventures of Roderick Random, which is a picaresque novel. His other novels are The Adventures of Peregrine Pickle, The Adventures of Ferdinand, Count of Fathom, The Adventures of Sir Launcelot Greaves, and The Expedition of Humphrey Clinker. Sterne is famous for his two novels, The Life and Opinions of Tristram Shandy Gentleman and A Sentimental Journey Through France and Italy. Horace Walpole is famous for his Gothic novel, The Castle of Otranto. Now let's discuss about the other tier novelists. William Beckford is famous for his Vathek, written in 1786. Anne Radcliffe is famous for The Mysteries of Udolpho, a Sicilian romance, and The Romance of the Forest. Matthew Gregory Lewis is famous for his only novel, The Monk. Mackenzie's best known work is The Man of Feeling. Frances Burney, or Madame d'Arblay, is known for her four novels, Evelina, Cecilia, Camilla, and The Wanderer. Now let's discuss about the historians. The famous historians are Edward Gibbon, David Hume, William Robertson, and James Boswell. Gibbon's first projected work was a history of Switzerland, which was never finished. His famous book is The Decline and Fall of the Roman Empire, in 5 volumes. David Hume published a treatise of human nature, essays, moral and political, and the history of England, in 6 volumes. William Robertson published The History of Scotland during the reigns of Queen Mary and of James VI, The History of Charles V, and the History of America. James Boswell is known for The Life of Samuel Johnson, written in 1791. Here on your screen is James Boswell, famous for his Lives of Johnson. Now let's talk about the prose writers. The prose writers are Edmund Burke, Adam Smith, William Godwin, Gilbert White, and William Paley. Here on your screen is painting of Edmund Burke by Joshua Reynolds. Edmund Burke is known for his philosophical writings such as A Vindication of Natural Society, a parody, and a philosophical enquiry into the origin of our ideas of sublime and beautiful. His political works are On American Taxation and Conciliation with the Colonies. His best known pamphlets are Reflections on the Revolution in France, A Letter to a Noble Lord, and Letter on a Regicide Peace, frequently asked in NET exam. Adam Smith is known for his famous book, The Wealth of Nations, which lays the foundation of the modern economic theory. William Godwin is famous for his novel Caleb Williams and Political Justice. The subtitle of Caleb Williams is Things as They Are, and it is previously asked in NET exam. Gilbert White is famous for his book, which is a series of letters titled Natural History of Selborne. The chief books of William Paley are Principles of Moral and Political Philosophy, Horror of Polino, and A View of Evidences of Christianity. Now let's discuss about the drama of Richard Brinsley Sheridan. Sheridan is famous for his prose comedy, The Rivals and The School for Scandal, which is famous for his best character Lady Teazle. His figures of Mrs. Malaprop, Bob Acres, and Sir Fretful are quite amazing. His intrigues are complex and plots are effective. Here on your screen is the portrait of Sheridan. Our app is out now on Play Store. You can now download the app of Dive to Learn from Play Store and learn from it new subjects and paper one also, because you have to dive to learn. Thank you.